Hey everyone, welcome back to Web Tech Knowledge. In this video, I will show you how to send email directly from an HTML without writing any backend code. We're going to use a free service called Form Submit. It takes you from data and sends it straight to your email. No PHP, no server, just simple HTML magic. So before that, we need to open our Visual Studio Code, and here we need to type the HTML structure, and then we need to type here into this body section. So we're going to type from tag over here, and as you can see, here is the opening and closing tag. So we will going to make the position into the opening tag, and into the form we can type action. Into the action we can simply copy, we can type https clone to /form submit.co/ my email address. So I'm going to give my email address, Mehdi Hassan 254782. I'm going to give the @gmail.com, and that's it. And then we're going to type here method. Into the method we can type post, then we can work with, and that's it. And then now we're going to come into the form section, and into the form opening and closing tag we can add an input. So here we type input. Into the input we can type and then give it as text, and then we can add a name. Into the name we can name it as name, and then we will have to give a placeholder. Into the placeholder we can give your name, and then we can give required. And now if I just save everything and open a live server over here, as you can see here we added your name option over here. So we're going to make it into the right side and give the coding into the left side. And now we will going to type another input. So for that we type input, type email, name, email, then give a placeholder. Into the placeholder we can type your email. You can save everything, and into your right side you can simply visible your name and your email boxes is showing. And now if I set as required, then give the angular bracket, that's it. And then we have to type another time input, and then we need to type here text area. So we're going to add a text area box and name it as message, and going to give name, going to give placeholder. In the placeholder we can give it your message. We can simply make the Y as a capital letter, and you can set it at required, give the angular bracket, and that's it. If we save everything, as you can see, we added a message box over here. And now we're going to add a button. So for that we're going to use the button tag. The button we can give it as a type. The type we can simply add submit, give the angular bracket, and into the angular bracket we can simply add the send, and that's we can simply save everything, and that's it. We simply did this. So you need to write this code if you want, and then here is a catch. You need to write your own email address, and from this you can simply get the message. So right now we have to add optional hidden fields that could help you. So for that we can simply use another time input, give type hidden, name it as next video, next, name it as next, then simply add the value, and the value should be this link, https is a clone, give to /, and here we will give the link called yourdomain.com. Give the /, type here thank you.html, and give the angular bracket, and then here we're going to type another time input, type hidden name /captcha, and a value called false, angular bracket. So this sets where the user goes after submitting, and disable captcha. So now save everything and open it into the browser. As you can see rightly, it's showing opening the browser. And now if you type here your name and your email address, like I'm going to add here this email, and now if I drop any message, like I'm going to drop a message, hi, and if I just simply send the message, and as you can see that the message has been sent. And now if I just go for our Gmail, as you can see that there is the mail address comes in, get web development service from industry expert here, and you will get the message over here, and here is information, Mehdi Hassan, there is the email address, and here is the message. So that's it. Now you can send email from your website, no backend needed. Like this video, if it helped, subscribe to Web Tech Knowledge, and let me know if you want a full styled contact page next.